It was very hands-on, lots and lots of hands-on, very, very hands-on, which I definitely was looking forward to. Made dreadlocks, hair care, everything. Business in how to value yourself and value your own time. I am very confident in my styling abilities, my hair care abilities now, and that's coming from someone who has no experience.
Hello guys, my name is Alex. I'm from Hope, Arkansas. I currently live in Fayetteville, Arkansas. I've been doing locks for about 6 years, and I recently decided to invest in myself and take some classes, and I came across YonniRed, her lock classes. I've learned styles that I never thought I could be able to learn, and not to mention it's all online.
Late nights, yet again. If you were paying attention earlier, I told you I had a class. I only got this Z-stitch on him. Simple, elegant.
It took me about 6 hours. Like, I enjoyed doing this. The type of clips you need, the type of comb you need. The product is all there. Buy the kit. Yeah, if I like my mannequin, see, I can't stop touching her. Let me leave her alone.
I'm going to give you just a little bit of what I just learned in about 30 minutes here with the best. Check in, check in.